Hi, my name is Tessa Hall. A bad hair day for me is every single morning when I wake up and look like a peacock because my bangs are like this.
Tessa came in natural level 4 with an existing color band at a level 3. Her ends were pre-lightened 7 to 9. I used 30 volume with that. We had so much outgrowth combined with so much layered pigment in the mid-lengths, we had to back-to-back foil with 30 volume and ultra lightener at the base down through the mid-lengths, stopping at the pre-lightened section. What I used at the pre-lightened section was our white lightener. I used 20 volume, and in both of these formulas, I utilized our RRX serum. I'm working in horizontal sectioning, just really trying to blast this out, starting at the nape where the hair is more resistant, the natural pigment is darker, all the way to base frame where hair tends to be more fragile. One thing I will recommend when doing a global color correction like this is to make sure that your slicing is fine, that you can see through it. Saturation is the absolute most important thing, along with formulation. Starting from the nape, working to the front allows you to go to the bowl and rinse the nape, not having to mess with the front. After processing for 55 minutes, I pre-toned with Aloxxi's Violet shampoo. My pre-tone was Andiamo in 11A. I utilized 30 volume with that. We rinsed that after 10 minutes. I went through and anchored her base using Chroma, Aloxxi's Cream Permanent, in 5 ash with 10 volume. Then I painted through her mid-lengths with equal parts level 8 and level 7 in the brown gold series with 10 volume. Right next to that, I painted through with tones, 9V, so 9 violet, plus 8A, level 8 ash, and 7 volume. I painted through the entire head, allowed to process. When we rinsed, I of course color locked for 3 minutes. We gave her this killer shag cut, which she was absolutely made for. When we styled this babe out, we used styling cream, Essential 7 serum. Then we fluffed her with Bombshell Grip Styler, and we added that little sparkle of shine with Bombshell Shine Mist.